My FED-4 is broken. The light meter doesn't work, and it's just kind of a mess right now, so we're gonna crack it open and see if I can fix it. I don't know how well that's gonna go, but basically, we gotta take off the top, which I'm terrified to do. This is terrifying. I feel like one wrong move and it'll just never go back together. So we're looking for a nut. There should be a nut inside that has to attach to the light speed dial. Okay, that's off. I can use some T-pins. Lefty-loosey. Okay, it's not working. There we go. Okay, now that's taken off. I have to remove this top somehow. Paperclip. We got a breaking ground technique of taking a paperclip and then bending it in ways it wasn't supposed to be bent. I know, revolutionary. There we go. And then I presume we take these off. Let's get that off first. These screws are very thin at the bottom, but they have a very big top. So I remember which one is which when I put it back together. And this slides off. And we should be able to... I presume we gotta take this off first. I'm really just taking this whole thing apart. This is wild. Okay, those are really long screws. Just for a light meter, that probably doesn't even work because the selenium is... Okay, that goes underneath. I can't see anything that I could possibly interact with. Okay, I figured it out. You have to hold this stationary while you rewind the opposite way. And then if you keep on holding it stationary and rewind the opposite way, it comes out. And then this comes out. And then, let's see, how do we do this from here? I don't know how to get the rest of it out though. Cause it won't, now I'm just stuck on a different level. I've just had a breakthrough. I figured it out. I took a screwdriver and just pried it until it came off. So now we've got this mess, which is insane. Jeez, dude. What is this? Oh boy, that's a lot. Terrifying. So I got inside. Now we can see all this stuff down here. Oh god. So the light meter does function to an extent. Alright, so I'm looking for a nut. There is no nut. Oh, there's the nut! That's also why it wasn't working. The nut is inside. That's wild, dude. The nut fell off. The nut fell off and went inside of the casing. That's why the meter doesn't work anymore. That's insane. There it is. It is barely moving. Anyways, well that's that issue solved. And it's up back on there. Let's go. After all that time, it's back on there. And they actually rotate, which they were not doing before. Okay. This is a Soleil moment. Well, I'm fairly certain that's supposed to be static. The dial kind of broke, and it came apart of the selenium cell, but also broke out of itself. So this can't even be used anymore if I did fix it. So this is out of the picture now, which basically means I can only use this if I have an external reader, which is not a big deal. It's a beautiful camera, I'll still use it. But now we gotta put it back together. I've sort of fixed it. Light meter doesn't work. The counter doesn't work because I can't get it tight enough to stay in place, even using every single washer. And B doesn't work. I don't remember if that worked before, but it does in fact. So that's as good as I can get it right now. I would love to get this fixed, and I will never get this fixed. But I'm glad I have such a beautiful camera back to being technically usable. Thanks for watching. I did buy this little TT Artisan light reader so I can actually use it and hopefully expose correctly. Alright, see you guys next time.